What a beautiful day in the desert today. I have grandson Nicholas and great-grandson Nicholas here. Our grocery store in the ice cream section has a lot of things that we can just go buy, take home, grab a spoon, or take a bite. Low sodium. These boys are going to tell you what we found.
Fruit bars, no sodium. Pineapple, grape, strawberry, watermelon, lime, peach, and tangerine.
You got the private selection sorbet. You got lemon and mango. No sodium at all.
Kroger Deluxe, sherbet, fat-free, pineapple ice cream. 20 milligrams per half cup. Sherbet, orange, mango, rainbow, but not coconut.
You got Luigi's Real Italian Ice. You got 10 milligrams of sodium per cup.
There are many kinds of popsicles that have no sodium.
That ice cream didn't come from the ice cream aisle. York candy bar, 10 milligrams of sodium. Pop them in your freezer. Ooh, then they're kind of like an ice cream. 10 milligrams of sodium. What a great snack. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome, Grandma.
There we go.